Welcome to my channel Urdu School, your go-to place for easy and fun learning. In today's video, we will learn and practice the 40 letters of Urdu alphabet. Whether you are a beginner or just refreshing your skills, this is the perfect guide to get started. Let's start it. The Urdu alphabet consists of 40 letters. It is written from right to left. Please remember to pause the video if you need more time to practice each letter. Let's start. First letter is Alif Mad A. Alif Mad A. Next letter is Alif. 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 It sounds in English Alif. Next letter is Bay. 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 Next alphabet is Bay. 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 Bay in English sound. Next letter is Tay. 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 Next letter is Tay. It is a hard word. Tay. Next letter is Say. Say. Say in English. So let's repeat once again. Alif Mad A. Alif. Be. Te. Te. Se. Next letter is Jim. Jam. Jim in English sounds. Next alphabet is Che. Chay. Che. Next alphabet is Hey. Hey. Next alphabet is Hey. Hey. Khay. Hey. Hey from throat. Hey. Next letter is Dal. 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 Next letter is Dal. 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 Next letter is Zal. Set. Al. Zal. Zal. Next letter is Ray. 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 It sounds in English Ray. Next alphabet is Ore. Ore. It sounds in English Array. 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 Next alphabet is Z. Z, Z-A-Y, Z. Next alphabet is Y, Y. Next alphabet is Seen, S-E-E-N, Seen in English. Next letter is Sheen, S-H-E-E-N, Sheen. Next letter is Sword, Sword, S-W-A-D, Sword. Next letter is Dwad, Dwad or Zwad, Zwad, Z or Z, W-A-D, Z-W-A-D, Zwad. Next letter is Toy, Toy, T-O-E, Toy. Next letter is Zoe, Zoe, Z-O-E, Z-O-E, Zoe. Next alphabet is Ein, Ein, A-I-N, Ein in English. Next alphabet is Ghain, Ghain, from throat, Ghain, not Ghain, Ghain. Next letter is Fe, F-A-Y, Fe. Next letter is Qaf, Qaf, from throat, Qaf, Q-A-A-F, Qaf. Next alphabet is Qaf, Qaf, lightly, Qaf, K-A-A-F, Qaf. So this was the set of another words. Now next letter is Gaf, Gaf, G-A-A-F, Gaf. Next alphabet is Lam, Lam, Lam in English, L-A-M, Lam. Next Meme, N-E-M, Meme. Next letter is Noon, 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 N-O-O-N. It sounds in English Noon, N-O-O-N, Noon. One dot in the letter, one dot in the alphabet. Next letter is Noon Gunna, Noon Gunna, Noon Gunna, and Noon Gunna in Urdu and Noon Gunna in English. Next letter is Wow, Wow, W-A-W, Wow. Next letter is Hey, H-E-Y, Hey. Next letter is also Hey. It's another form, Hey, H-E-Y, Hey. Next letter is Choti Ye, Hamza, Hamza. Next letter is Hamza, H-M-Z-A. Sounds in English Hamza. Next letter is Choti Ye, Choti Ye, small Ye. Next letter is Big Ye, Big Ye, Badi Ye. So well done. You have taken first step to mastering the Urdu alphabets. Keep practicing these letters daily and soon you will be reading and writing in Urdu fluently. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe for more easy Urdu learning lessons. Until next time, Khuda Hafiz.